Hey guys, I got my package today. This is a warmer, lunch warmer, and let's open it. It's open already. It is open already. Look. I get this one for my lunch, especially winter, because it's too cold and I need to keep my food warm, my lunch warm. Okay, it's like let's see, where is the cord. See? I can put my lunch here, and if I want to warm it, I can just find an outlet and plug it in. It's cool. Let's cool this one. They call it Hotlogic Mini. There you go. There you go. Put my lunch here, and I can keep it warm. All right.